Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. This spring and fall we're hosting a whole brand new series of workshops for teachers for math, science, English, and history. You should check out these workshops. We're going to be holding them in Massachusetts, in Florida, in New York, and California. Check them out. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Take care. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. Today we're going to be working on number 47 on the CBEST Elementary Math Practice Test. I'll read over the question, and as I do that, we'll work through how to solve it. First thing you want to do, it says here, use the chart below to answer the question that follows. That first step is you should be doing it automatically, looking at this chart and pulling out key information. Like, what does it say in the title? What's the scenario presented just in the title? Well, it's talking about U.S. and world silver production in metric tons. Okay, so we're looking at the production of silver in the United States and collectively in the world. All right, and then we have years, what was made in the United States during those years, and what was made collectively in the world. And it says, how many metric tons of silver were produced outside the United States in 1950? Well, when I think about that, the first thing I want to do is I want to look right to 1950 and look at the production that was going on in the world and the United States. The world altogether, including the United States, was making 6,323 metric tons. Now the United States was making 1,347 metric tons. And it wants to know what was made outside the United States. So that's going to be a subtraction problem, involving me subtracting what was made in the world less what was made in the United States. Now, that's the hard part, getting to that point and setting this up. Because it's very easy to be like, think world and think the world represents outside the United States and pick E, which is not the answer. Or it's very easy to possibly look at the wrong rows and use the wrong numbers because you don't have your glasses on that day. All right, so be very careful that you set this stuff up. Now we get to a subtraction problem involving regrouping. So you got to go back and make sure you do the regrouping correctly. So try this on your own. I'm going to do it in about 5 seconds. You pause the video right now. Do it on your own, okay? Because I'm going to jump in and do it. And it's always good to get that practice. But when I do this subtraction, I can't subtract 7 from 3. I got to borrow from the 2. This becomes a 1. This becomes actually a 13. 13 minus 7 gets me 6. Okay, I can't subtract a 4 from a 1, so I got to borrow from the 3 here. This becomes a 2. This becomes 11. 11 minus 4 gets a 7. All right, I have to borrow again from the 6. This becomes a 5. This becomes a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 5 minus 1 is 4. And I get to the answer. All right, so try this on your own. I hope you enjoyed the video, team. This is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. Have a great day. Take care.